There are organizations that, from the moment they are founded, present a natural calling to be unique. IESA is undoubtedly among us 10. Solid productive capacity, innovative technologies, and highly skilled professionals are united to create a complex chain of services and products. Complete solutions supported by a consistent and integrated organizational structure. IESA power generation and equipment, IESA construction and assembly, IESA oil and gas, the high alliances, Breaklog GPR, Sadefeng, Selpa Semati, an organization prepared to meet the growth demands of the most important infrastructure segments of the country.
Estamos prontos para você crescer.
IESA power generation and equipment. At its industrial unit in Araraquara, city located in the state of São Paulo, IESA has the most modern business excellence center for manufacturing heavy equipment and industrial systems. In Latin America's largest industrial complex, solutions for the areas of power generation, heavy equipment as well as construction and assembly are developed. It makes use of its own technology to develop projects and manufacture equipment for hydroelectric power plants, irrigation systems and locks. IESA has supplied equipment to the main hydroelectric power plants of the country, such as Tucuruí, Itaipu, Campos Novos and Ponte de Pedra. It's the sole manufacturer of GE Hydro INEPAR turbines and generators. It has participated in important projects such as Three Gorges Dam in China, Tucuruí and Itaipu in Brazil. The heavy equipment area is recognized to its modern industrial and business excellence center for the manufacture of large-size equipment and industrial services. Solutions related to material handling are also supported by its own technology, standing out in Brazil and abroad, with over 2,500 overhead cranes delivered. It's one of the main suppliers of process equipment for the segments of oil, chemical, petrochemical, as well as pulp and paper.
Estamos prontos para você crescer.
IESA construction and assembly. The construction and assembly area provides solutions directly at the client's facilities. For the subway and railway transportation, it supplies coach cars, freight cars and locomotives, satisfying projects' requirement of maintenance, modernization or new equipment. It provides construction, assembly and maintenance services of permanent ways, third rails and systems. Within the traffic control segment, it fully implements fixed systems for controlling the railway and road traffics.
Estamos prontos para você crescer.
IESA Oil and Gas. In Rio de Janeiro, IESA facilities are aimed at meeting the oil and gas market needs, a highly competitive segment in which it's strongly present. The brand is recognized and respected in the entire country, not only because of its professional skills, but also due to its competence in the management of integrated solutions for the clients. It has an industrial complex in Macaé, Rio de Janeiro state, specialized in activities of maintenance, retrofit, and modernization of oil and gas platforms. It has the most important international certification of quality environment protection, safety and health. IESA Oil and Gas is proud to actively take part in the action that boosts the development of our country.
Estamos prontos para você crescer.
Strategic Alliance, GHI. The joint venture between IESA and GE carries out generators and turbines projects, supplying components and services to the domestic and foreign markets, with a large experience in the market and combining GE's technology with IESA's industrial tradition. The strategic association GE Hydro INEPAR is highly successful within the national energy scenario, as well as in Latin America, the USA, Europe, and Asia.
Estamos prontos para você crescer.
Sadefeng. IESA, by means its strategic alliance with Sadefeng, is ready to provide services and products in the following areas: metallic structures, power generation, reactive compensation, power transmission systems, substations and telecommunications, promoting the country's continuous development. The IESA Santa Fe Association is the only partnership in Brazil capable of planning and carrying out integrated solutions for every kind of project, an undertaking which involves the full supply chain of energy transmission system. It strategically holds the technologies of INEPAR and Polytel capacitors, and it's also technologically supported by United States General Electric.
Estamos prontos para você crescer.
Brakelog Shipyard. Brakelog develops activities to support harbor-related matters aimed at the segment of oil and gas prospecting, among us the operation and carry-out. It's worth highlighting the offshore boats mooring up to 150 meters of length, cargo loading and unloading, and equipment handling, among us others. In naval construction, brake facilities count on the largest operational dry dock in Latin America.
Estamos prontos para você crescer.
Selva Semati, electric power distributors. Selva was founded with the purpose of distributing electricity to the state of Pará. It distributes electric power for over 7 million inhabitants, comprising 143 cities in the state. Semati has boosted the Mato Grosso state development by means of the large investments, improving the quality and reliability in electric power distribution. It services over 800,000 consumers in 141 cities in the state.
Estamos prontos para você crescer.
Efficient processes, quality standards, and social responsibility. IESA is a dynamic and integrated organizational structure comprised of highly qualified people. It invests in projects and programs aimed at development of social works and respect to the environment, a growth that is, above all, socially responsible. In the city of Florianopolis, it's located the New Businesses Technology Center, responsible for developing new business and following up the company's consolidated results by means of the performance indicators control panel. Modern workshops, technologies, processes, and people are united to turn IESA into an increasingly strong and agile corporation, ready to bring about a more prosperous scenario to your company, ready to be an essential part of your growth.
Tem muita água pra girar, tem muito trilho pra correr, o mundo todo pra movimentar. Estamos prontos pra você crescer.
Tem muita ideia pra inovar, tem muita luz para acender, muita riqueza pra gerar. Estamos prontos pra você crescer.
Brazil and the world live a special growth moment. IESA is ready for your most ambitious challenges and achievements, ready to provide solutions with the highest excellence level.
Tem muita ideia pra inovar, tem muita luz para acender, muita riqueza pra gerar. Estamos prontos pra você crescer.
IESA, ready for your growth.